Okay, we're in Guimarães, and that's right there is a station, and so we're just gonna basically there's some progress that's going on there, and then we're basically gonna just follow this all the way down and go all the way down the street and just kind of see what's going on now as of May 11. See what it looks like. Been following it for a while. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so right there is Central Station. There's Galaxy Casino, and that's a station right there. And then to this side, you have this kind of cool looking blue building. I've always liked that one. And we're gonna follow this one down. And then basically the station is a light rail station, and it connects to this little part of Taipa in Macau. And this is Guimarães, Avenida de Guimarães. So kind of cool looking stuff in here. Whoa, okay. Got some construction there. So yeah, before this street was filled with construction, and they're making a lot of progress with it, and I kind of just want to see how it's going. It's definitely changing. I think they're broadening the sidewalks and making the sidewalks. I don't know. Let's see. I can barely remember it from the way it was. I think when I first started filming, it was about a year ago. And so at that time they were just building the initial parts of it, and then they had built this light rail train all the way down that way. The light rail train is, I think it's 13 stations total, and this particular station is one of the few residential stations. Still not quite ready yet. I mean, the light rail trains are ready, but they're way down at the end, but the pedestrian overpass isn't ready yet. Black and white. Yeah, the monorail, or sorry, light rail train is 13 stations. I believe that, can't remember exactly, but there's the vast majority of them go to there's 3 of them that go to transit areas, which is the ferry terminal, the airport, there's a big McDonald's, airport, ferry terminal, and then also this one way that goes into China as well. So there's 3 of them that are immigration points. So, you know, you can guess that the purpose of it isn't for locals, it's for, this is probably the one local thing. Anybody that's a pedestrian who wants to go to the airport, or I mean a local who wants to go to the airport or ferry terminal or casino, they can take this, walk to the light rail train, and then jump on that train line. But to be honest, there's so much other stuff. This is kind of a cool street right here. This is called Taipa Central. So that's the street they were just on. Taipa Central here. Another pedestrian part right there. This is Central Taipa Park. Beautiful area. Giant park with basketball, soccer, playground areas, stuff like that. And of course, lots of trees. Giant swimming pool too. And now we're going to get more on the construction side. This whole street had construction all up and down it, but looks like half of it is now ready and done. And then this half is the half that's still being worked on. Looks like this one's going to be an elevator right there. So yeah, so basically this is probably the one part of the train that's for locals, is that you can walk down this pedestrian path from the station. Of course, to be honest, if you're over here, there's lots of buses that go directly to casinos and airports as well. They can just jump on. It's probably easier than walking all the way down and then trying to get the train. But for the novelty of the train, it's nice. I think I've been on it only for novelty reasons and to do some filming, but it's not functional for a local. It's really set up for tourists. It hits almost all the, it hits I can't remember exactly, but I think the Let me just kind of go right in here real quick. So the vast majority of them are to the casinos and then the immigration points, and then there's Ocean Gardens, Jockey Club, Paycoke, which is Taipa's old town, and then this stadium. So there's just a few of them that are kind of for locals, and I'd argue too that most people in Macau live in the Macau side, but Taipa is the more developed, not more developed, but the more foreigner friendly. So lots of construction still here, as you can see. Some construction workers, so they're still working away over here. We'll just keep on going. It's kind of good to document all this in time anyways. So later this will all be different. So nice restaurants. And I can kind of see inside a little bit. So there we go. So I can kind of see. So that's the road that we just came down, is that one? And that's that rail line. It looks like the end of the rail line is up this way, so there's a little spot right there. Got a little bit more construction up here. We'll see how we can navigate this. Okay, maybe what I'll do is I'll take, I saw some people are walking, some pedestrians are going through here, I guess. So it looks like they're letting people go all the way around like that. Well, maybe we'll do the same. So it looks like it's kind of confusing. And now you can kind of come around in here. Now we'll do the same. So yeah, they're laying the bricks down. And I guess we'll go around like that. Then we'll kind of come up this way. And then you have all this stuff right here too. So they're laying all this stuff right here, so this will all be set up with that as well. Oops. So okay, kind of cool. We're gonna try to go down a little bit more. I think this is the most interesting part because this will all be changed permanently. At least you can see what it looks like now. Oh, actually so now we just see this is just the end of it right here. So I guess we'll just end it right here. It's a good ending spot. There's also this building right here looks a little bit different too. This one right here looks like they're doing something. Anyway, so we'll end it right there. Hope you like this one.